Yeah, I erased my first because we just had another 7-4 over here in mainland China. I made a video last night. Shake your ass. I try to warn y'all fuckers about what I'm seeing. I'm tired of being called fucking crazy. Motherfuckers need to fucking stand up, fucking be real about this shit, people. We're very fucking close to fucking changing votes. We've already gone over that. If you don't know, you need to get back over here to my fucking Angry Catfish channel. See the link? Fucking hit it. Watch every one of these goddamn videos. I'm gonna be moving some of them over here. Look, we've covered human beings have a magnet field. Some of you people are aware of this. I just discovered a couple of weeks ago. I can feel it with my fucking hands. Bring your hands together. Don't touch them. Just a little bit. Right here. Right fucking here. Let your hands hang. Your arms hang. Right here. You're going to feel your hands pull together. Hold them there. Pull it back. You're going to feel all the way through your hand. Your field. It's also a push, but this is very light. You feel it. Move your hands. Feel them in between your fingers. You can manipulate your fucking field, people. You're a hallback array. And you're no fucking different than this magnet. Send your fucking fields out. You know? Just gonna make it happen. People, shut this fucking thing down and start using the tool Creator gave you. This is your soul. It is your life force that is making that field. Pump it up. Pump up the fucking volume.